Hey, this is Gabriel Criswell. I'm gonna show a mod review, a gun review on the Rabbit CS18. Right here. Okay, it's sort of backwards. But I told you it, so okay. It's a gun, holds AA. It's an electric gun, but elite. It's glow in the dark. The reason I want to do with it is because it has this. It's really cool, right? And so I'm just gonna show you how cool it is by doing a mod review. So I'm gonna go get the lights, and I'm just gonna see how you guys like. Okay. You see the light. Okay. Adjust the camera. Okay, let me show you it. You see the bullets? There's a bullet, and it glows. So that was it.